Philippines, I want to congratulate the Miss Universe Philippines Pasig organization, of course, to our local director, Miss Sarah Discaya, for this wonderful opportunity for all Pasigueñas to really shine and show what they're capable of. I think ngayon nakita natin hindi lamang ang ganda ng ating mga Pasigueña, kundi ang kanilang talino at kakayahan para humarap sa lahat ng tao nandito ngayon. And I'm very, very proud. You know, I've seen these ladies from the beginning until today. And to all the 18 delegates, I have nothing but love for all of you. You have made me so proud. I'm your mama here in Pasig. And I hope to continue doing this. Every year, I always say it's different because we are changing lives. And I know that these women are an inspiration to a lot of you. And I want to thank everybody who came here to support all our delegates. Again, it takes a village, it takes a community, it takes a city to support the wonderful queens that we have on stage. I also want to thank all the creatives who are part of the whole journey of the girls, our production team, the people behind all of these, our photographers, our videographers, our fashion designers, our makeup artists, hairstylists. Kung wala po kayo, wala po ang ating mga nagagandahang binibini here on stage, and we owe it all to you. So again, this is not just for the girls, para po sa lahat ng nasa creative sector, ang gabing ito ay para din po sa inyo. Again, maraming salamat.